Right.
This is the new camera of the Beretta range of product is the ARX160 22 long rifle. Is the 22 long rifle variant of the military rifle ARX160 5.56x45. It holds a magazine holding up to 20 rounds. It shoots from the blowback mechanism. It's very accurate. It's very absolutely similar, if not equal, to the military rifle. You have a folding stock provision. The stock can be collapsible. The cocking handle can be positioned on the right side or left side. You have a fixed barrel with flash hider and the possibility to mount either a real or fake silencer. This is meant to be a real toy for the game person.